how to fix Epic Games Inactive May Not Login error. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such error or issue on whenever you are trying to log in with your Epic Games account, then here's what you need to do. So first just head over to the official website of epicgames.com, and once you're inside here, and if for some reason you cannot sign in, then just head over to the support section from this web page over here, and once you're inside here, simply scroll down and click on this self-service that is show all tools, and you should get this option that is your support request. So basically tap on this, and if you have already found your related issue that is over here, which are mentioned over here, then you can easily choose between them. But if you want a specific support, then just tap on this your support request, and once inside here, just come over to this page over here under the right section and simply answer the questions which has been asked over here, just like this. And you can just do all of this just like this, and contact region. And for the contact region, what you need to do is just select the Epic account, since we are having trouble with Epic account login. So just describe your issue just like this. So you need to write in something like this over here, that is by describing that you're getting an error message whenever you're trying to log in, that is inactive account may not login error. So once you give this message and click on continue, and once they review your request, they will get back to your registered email via your registered email and provide the guidelines and details to successfully remove this error message from your account section. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.